The destruction of anterior horn cells of spinal cord result in the loss of what? Anterior horn cells is a motor neuron that projects from the anterior portion of the gray matter in the spinal cord to the skeletal muscles. So these neurons are responsible for sending motor signals from the spinal cord to the muscles, allowing the voluntary movement. So when the anterior horn cells are destroyed, the brain's ability to send the signals to the muscles is impaired, leading to the loss of voluntary motor function in the affected areas. So that means the correct answer is option C, loss of voluntary motor impulses. Whereas integrating impulses, sensory impulses, as well as chemischural impulses are incorrect answers. The wings of a bird and the wings of an insect are the examples of what structures and what type of evolution do they represent? The answer is option C, analogous structures and represent convergent evolution. So here we have the examples, it is the wings of a bird and the wings of an insect. And these structures perform similar function, but they have different evolutionary origin. So the wings of birds and insects are both used for flight, but they evolved independently from different ancestral structures. So they are the examples of analogous structures and they represent a convergent evolution. Convergent evolution refers to the process where organisms from different evolutionary backgrounds develop similar traits due to the adapting to similar environments or functions. Now, in this case, the wings of birds and insects evolved independently but serve the same function, that is flight. So the answer is option C. Whereas coming to option A and B, which is showing homologous structures, homologous structures refers to the structures that have common evolutionary origin but serve different functions. So option A and B are incorrect answers. Coming to option D, phylogenetic structures. Phylogenetic structures is not commonly used in the evolutionary biology to describe the relationship between structures. So option D is incorrect. The answer is option C.